So I'm doing an outfit of the day, and my outfit, I'm just gonna stay down so that you can't see. And let me move the chair back. This a big top, and move my hair for you, and like it has my name above, and like these leggings. Yeah. And these shoes, can't even see. So then, oh my god, like really diamond one, the gorgeous. And I've got some news with this top. This top is the same top as Zayn Malik has from One Direction. Okay, and to go with that, it's like a blue paddle thing. And as you can see, no makeup there. Like that, okay? And that's it really. Okay, so thank you. Bye bye.